I just watched a very popular video that says you can make $150 a day without a website. $150 is not a big amount to earn each day, but who doesn't want free money? But I'm here to show you something even bigger. If you watch our video, this video, till the end, you will learn how to make $5 million from using 3 minutes of your time without your own product and without paid traffic. I know it's a big claim, and here's a full disclaimer. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven method. Beginners make money using this method, and I will show you the way we basically run a 7-figure per year company using the same exact system, and thousands of other people are doing it every single day. So the chances of any beginner to make money using this system is extremely high. But overnight success is a myth. There is nothing called quick cash system. You will definitely make money, but it will take a little bit of work and a little bit of time. And my software with artificial intelligence will basically take 99% of the heavy lifting on your behalf. Free link to access my software for free is in the description. Go get it. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help our customers and viewers earn money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. And our goal is to change the lives of 100 million individuals and families in the next 10 years. And we can't do it without you. For that, we need only 2 things from you. Hit the like button and share this video. That's it. With your friends and family, social media contacts, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Telegram chat groups, Reddit groups, and everywhere possible. Together with your help, we can change the lives and financial distress of the people who need it the most. So please hit the like button and share this video with everyone. Back to the video. In this system, you don't need experience, technical knowledge. You don't need a website or hosting server. You can make money from anywhere in the world in this system. So the chance for the beginners to get results in this system is almost guaranteed. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos. $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have good news for you because we don't need to use cameras. Epic allows us to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. We don't need to record our voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voiceover using text-to-voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for us using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them. But we are not going to stop there. We will show you how this video tells you about how to make money online, whether it works or not, and how our method works, and you're going to get Epic free using the link in the description. Now let's go back to this video that got 1.27 million views, 520,000 subscribers on the channel, and almost 40 likes on the video. All these stats show that people love this video. Then that means this content must be useful, right? This is a good sign. Now let's see if this is beginner friendly or not. So step number 1, go to ClickBank and get the highest selling product and get its affiliate link for you. Now, I have been in this industry for a while, and I know that to promote this and make money, we need traffic. A lot of traffic. But the question is, how do you get traffic? Let's follow this video and see how it's getting traffic. So firstly, he's talking about multiple campaigns to get traffic, like a paid traffic method where you can invest some money upfront to get traffic on your affiliate link. And lastly, the video says to go to Facebook and create your own Facebook group and get visitors and customers from there. Well, I have done paid traffic methods in the past, so I know it's very risky. And I have a group of 18,000 plus customers, and we get traffic from that group every time we post something. Now, I'm not against this method. This method surely works and makes you money. But the problem with this method is that it's not beginner friendly. It took me years to build this group from scratch. So it's not a free method. It's not easy, it's not fast, and it's not risk-free. It involves some degree of investment, knowledge, risk, and consistency. Now tell me what you think in the description. Is it worth doing all this for a $150 per day income versus the method that I'm about to share with you right now? You can get free traffic easily and make $1,000 to $5,000 starting today. It's fast and it might start working for you from today. Out of curiosity, I accidentally went to YouTube and searched with the keyword Warcraft guide. And look what I found. People are making 1-minute short videos and getting millions of views 100% free. These two videos got 1.1 million views and 5,310 views. Another one 3,900 views, another one 21,000 views, another one 1,600 views, 21,000 views, 12,000 views, 3,700 views, 26,000 views, 4,700 views. You can do the exact same thing. So how much money can you make from this? We make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos or any other channels. So 1.1 million views should give you $5.5 million theoretically by using our software Epic. Why I'm talking about short videos, by the way, it's because YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and to make it popular, YouTube is promoting all short videos. YouTube is doing this to compete with TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. So if you make short videos which are less than 1 minute long, and yes, of course, you can do it using Epic without any hassle, or using camera, microphone, video editing, script writing, because Epic is doing everything using artificial intelligence on your behalf, and it takes only 3 minutes to make an awesome short video. This way, you are actually helping YouTube get more views from outside YouTube and make existing viewers stay longer on YouTube, so YouTube will promote your videos for free. So you will get free customers from YouTube without paid traffic and Facebook group traffic. We get a lot of views from YouTube. Look at our channel analytics. We got 22,000 views in last 28 days alone. Look at 90 days, 57,000 views in last 90 days. Now let's go back to 28 days and look at the shorts feed, 12.7%. This traffic, these views came directly from YouTube because we are publishing shorts, and our shorts are under 1 minute long. Of course, they're getting good number of views. We do absolutely no promotion whatsoever for our shorts. All these views are coming from directly YouTube, and we build our shorts using our software Epic. It is super simple to use Epic. Simply create new, give your video a name, select vertical, click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any source, paste it here, and your image is imported. You can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want a voiceover and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want, click the text generator, paste it right here, use our AI or artificial intelligence to rewrite for you, or use the spinner to rewrite your choice. Let's use the spinner, and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type, paste the text here, then click submit. Go to the text to audio section, click add.
Residence Technique Pro Guide.
And your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length, and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back and add more videos sections. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. This is exactly how we made this video right here, and we are getting views organically from YouTube 100% free. This is the 1 minute 5-minute video and it took 10 minutes to create. Super simple. Go get Epic from the link in the description. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your customers and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do this favor and they will love you. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.